I'm always talking about how dope our credit repair service is, but you don't have to take my word for it. Check out this video to see what our 700 Club members have to say about their experience working with us so that you can get your own understanding of how we can help you fix your credit.
My credit situation was in need of help. I think I was somewhere around mid to high 500s as far as score. And I knew that as I grew, both my family and my business, that a decent credit rating would be, it'd be important. That's my name. And after doing a little research, I'm like, you know what? Let me look out and see who is out there that can help me bear this burden. And so when I saw Jason White, we instantly hit it off because he's a very genuine, charismatic person. He reminds me of the younger me at sometimes, but he seemed to have things together. Once we sat down and actually met, he told me his passion for helping people put themselves and their families in a better situation, and that was kind of what won me over. Having a good name is very important. We all make mistakes. We all, make decisions that may not be the best financially, but it's also empowering to take control of not only your life, but your financial life as well. And so that to me is the most important piece. We all need to step up to the plate and put ourselves and our families in the best situation possible. If I needed to get a line of credit, I know that I can go to any bank, any credit union, and my score is at a point where they'll be ready to throw the money at me. It's hard to, get a house without, a loan. You have to be responsible for whatever you do borrow. So if you're going to borrow something, you have to pay it back on time. You have to, pay the interest. But I realize that having a great credit score will really will reduce the amount that you'll pay overall. You have to let it work for you, and not the other way around. So you have to know when to use it, how to use it, and do it responsibly so that you continue to move in the right direction. I think Witness Riches, not just a company that may be owned by a minority. It's a great company, no matter if you take color out of the picture. It's a great young mind with a great vision to help people, help families, help our communities, no matter where you come from. But it has such profound impact on those who work the system. If your credit score is below 700, you need to give it a try. What do you have to lose? The small amount of money that it costs to enroll in the service, you'll get that back over the months and years as you see yourself in a favorable position with your credit. Making sure you have a good name and credit score is part of who you are.